Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Tyler here again with another video from Mars Investments. Today's video, we're just going over what I pretty much did today at Stock Market Open, a little bit pre-hours as well. Just want to show you what the stocks that I bought, stocks that I traded off a little bit. Now, this account, as you see, only has $1,000 into it. I'm still waiting for $2,000 to drop into it. Put it in last week or something, but Robinhood takes a little minute for your funds to go through actually. But it's no problem. You know, I set $1,000 in my account. I'm up $85 over the week. So just want to go in just a few things that I actually bought this morning. Some shares. Been listening to Ricky. He's been talking a lot about UGAS and DGAS and the correlations in those two, and I understood that pattern. I understood both of those patterns, so I felt comfortable enough to actually go ahead and invest in UGAS. DGAS really wasn't my style. You know, that's a little bit too much, like $120-something a stock right now, and I'm trying to make a little bit of profit. Invest all my money and just make a little bit of profit with $1,000 account. You know what I mean? So let's just jump right into it. As you see right here, I got UGAS, G's, another something else that I bought today. So let's start with UGAS. When I bought it, you can see the price was at $23.07. As of right now, it's at $23.50. So 43 cent up. Yeah, not bad for what? I don't know. I think it's 3 hours, 3-hour market open. But let me show you what I did to actually purchase the stock. My steps were to gathering the information that I knew this was the right stock for me to buy and make some little bit of money off of it. So, if you watch my other videos, how to use TD Ameritrade platforms, Thinkorswim, this platform right here. See it on you guys right now. I'm actually watching it because I saw it go down a little bit. Just no problem at all. So, what did I do to want to buy UGAS? Simple. I'll show you. I went to the TD platform app, and I noticed that it was on a downtrend. It was on a steady downward sloping trend, as you see, guys, right here. The RSI was showing that it was on signs that it was really oversold. People are starting to buy it up a little bit. Really oversold again. And the MACD indicator is showing that again, it's really oversold. So about time for it to start picking back up. A little bit closer. Now, what I saw that made me want to buy it was this resistance. So you already saw the resistance over here at $22, around $22.95, $23. And what is that right now? It's at $23. So I felt that's a good resistance line in that it should bounce up from that resistance line at that $23 that I bought it for. $23.07, I believe, I think it was. Now it's at $23.50. Awesome. You see I drew a line right here. I'll go ahead and draw it again for y'all. So remove it. Simply, this is what I did. It's at $23.07, $23.09, same difference. So what I did, I added a drawing. And where did I think that it was going to peak at? Where does the pattern in my head go? I believe that it's going to peak at somewhere around 25, 26. I think I have it at 26.85 to sell at. So kind of the high end, but I'm pretty comfortable around right here, around the 52 or 26.52 mark. That's 14% growth. That's 14% growth. If it does hit that, and that's mine I hit today. I'm not counting on it to hit that high today. I'm counting this for a swing trade, meaning I'm buying it today. I'm gonna hold it a night or two and then sell it. Because I don't have $25,000 in the account, so I technically can't day trade. I can do 3 day trades every 5 days, which is cool and all. You can take a little bit of advantage of that. I do a couple times. So go back to the Robinhood app. You can see that I'm up $1.95 on that today. I only bought 5 shares, and I think it's going to go up to 26. So I believe I should get like $10, $15 return from that. Now, another thing that I bought was GE. Now, I like the way GE was going today. Bought it at $9.45, $9.42 right now. Let me show you why I bought that real quick. So let's go to GE. If it gets, you can see I already have a line drawn. You can see it's sloping. It continues sloping down. It's really good for me because I end up being buy. They see the resistance line. The lowest, lowest point is right here, but they actually reported good earnings this quarter, as you see right here, which rose the stock up. Now the resistance line is what, at about, I don't know, $8.90. And as soon as they hit that earnings, it rose up. And it's consolidating around the $10 range. Keep on, it shoots down a little bit, goes up. Let's look at this a little more closely. Got the VWAP indicators and the EMA line. So I see that it's riding the EMA all the way up. When it shoots down, the EMA cups it and kind of forces it down. You see right here, a lot of volume bought, shot it up. It rose past the EMA. So now their EMA was acting as a resistance, but now it's acting as a support. So that's what I want to see. I want to make sure that EMA line is not acting as a resistance, meaning that it is hard to get above that EMA resistance line. Same thing with it being support. On support line, it's hard to make it go under that support. And that's what a good patterns, that's what I look for. Watch a bunch of videos. I'm really comfortable with my way of trading. I'm not saying it's for everybody. A lot of people don't like to do this. A lot of people like to do fundamental trading, and that's fine as well. But back to the video. Now the way I saw this, I think that GE is on a downward slope. I bought it at a good price. Now I didn't wait for it to show really signs of a indication up, because it already is. It's already showing the signs of, and I know the resistance from back that the pattern most likely shows that it's going to go up. Now you see the line that I drew right here. This is where I'm trying to sell, where I believe I can sell at. So let's delete it, and we can draw a new line for y'all guys. So let's see, 945 where we're at. So we create a drawing, and I think it's going to peak around right here. Around $10 again. I think it's going to peak around $10 again. That's a 5%, increase for me. That's really good for me, I feel like. Geez, only $9. There's a lot of potential profit in this stock. The way that I view the patterns right now. That's just a couple things that I did today. I'm just want you guys to know what I'm doing. Maybe you can learn a couple things. I might not be able to really express myself the best. I'm not a really good teacher, but I don't want you guys to make mistakes like I do. I want to be able to show you what I do, learn from those mistakes that I already done, so you can just skip those. You can just go straight to profits. I don't want you in red days. I don't want myself in red days. I've been in red days. But now I'm starting to get in those green days, and I think I understand why, and I just keep on seeing green. I want to pass that along to you guys. That's why I started this channel. I didn't want to make a channel as I'm in the red all the time. I didn't know what I was doing. What am I going to pass on? Nothing to you guys. No valuable information of me being in the red all the time. I didn't know how to trade. I watch videos, and now I think I have a good understanding of trading, and I have made some money with this. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Only bought GE and UGAS today. There's a few other things I'll show you really quick. Let's go to notifications, view history. I got a couple plays. I want to sell these. The MoneyGram, because MoneyGram's really going bad right now. I don't even want to talk about it. I don't really like the TE. I bought this with not a good understanding of its pattern. So I feel like it's just time just to let it go to a stock that I understand the pattern. So you can see that I bought 20 shares of this. I sold 2 shares of this at $44. That was pretty much all of today. I bought those shares. I sold some overstock shares. Made some profit over that. So overall, today, let's see, I'm up 3%. Is that great? No, but over the week, I believe it's a good potential to have 10+% with definitely the stocks that I invested in as of right now with UGAS and GE with the patterns that they're showing. I believe it's going to be a good potential growth over this next week. There's a couple of swing trades I want to do. I have a couple that I'm holding on to for the long run, like Wells Fargo, WFC, and BP. You can see BP is down $7 right now, but that's fine. It's kind of always in the down, always in the red, but they pay dividends, and they're consolidating, so they're not really dropping down too much or going up too much. So I feel comfortable with just that, just my little 6 little shares. I can get my dividends on from that. If I lose, a couple dollars, that's fine. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna hold on to it, so I'm technically really not losing the money until I actually sell it. And does BP have a potential to go up? Of course it does. It's BP. They've been around for a while. They're a really established company. So guys, another short little video today from Mars Investments. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. Make sure you like it or dislike it. If you don't like it, I'm not telling you like it. But if you like it, make sure you like that button. Subscribe it, comment. I want to know what I can do better for you guys. What are y'all looking for? I have a lot of information. It's hard for me to get it out. So if y'all can tell me what y'all are really looking for, I can put in a lesson plan for myself to actually teach that for you guys. Instead of just going off the whim like I normally do. I start these videos up and I'm trading today, so I just wanted y'all to see it. Live trading. Simple as that. Hope you get a few tips and tricks in there, guys. Hope you have a great day.